Hi friends, welcome to our video on how to success on YouTube. If you want to make cool videos and get a lot of views, I am here to help you. YouTube is a fun place to share your ideas, stories and talents with the world. Let's learn the best way to be a YouTube star, step by step. And in the end of this video, I will tell you the most important thing to success in YouTube. Let's go to the video. The first step is to choose something you really like. It could be drawing, playing games, telling stories, cooking, or even teaching others. When you make videos about things you enjoy, it will be more fun for you and your viewers. Make videos about what you care about. This helps you stay motivated and your audience will feel your passion. Remember, your video don't have to be perfect. Use your phone or simple camera to record. Speak clearly and smile. Try to keep your videos short and interesting. About 3 to 5 minutes is best for beginners. YouTube recommends keep your videos easy to watch and understand. This way more people will enjoy your video. When you upload your video, give it a title that tells people what it is about. For example, if your video is about drawing a cat, your title could be how to draw a cat or how to draw a cute cat. This helps people find your video when they search on YouTube. Use clear and simple title with important words. This helps your videos show up in search results. A thumbnail is a small picture people see before clicking your video. You can take a bright, colorful photo or draw something fun to show what your video is about. This makes people want to watch your video. Create an eye-catching thumbnail to attract views. Try to upload videos often, like once a week or every 2 weeks. When you upload regularly, your viewers will know when to expect new videos from you. Consistency helps you grow your channel. Remember that. When people comment on your videos, try to reply to them nicely. This helps you make friends and keep your viewers happy. YouTube encourages creators to engage your audience, build an community with them. Always follow YouTube rules. Don't share private information. Be kind and don't copy others' videos. YouTube wants everyone to be safe and respectful. YouTube community guideline helps you keep YouTube safe for everyone. Most important of all, have fun, keep trying new ideas, learning from your videos. You can watch YouTube's own Creator Academy for free lesson to get better understanding about your YouTube journey. And finally, the most important is create a simple YouTube channel. That's all. That's all friends. Now you know how to start and success on YouTube. Remember, be creative, be kind and keep making awesome videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.